Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide your name from liking Instagram posts, or how you can hide likes on all Instagram posts so that anyone cannot see the posts that you like. So in here, I've already on the Instagram apps. To start, you can just go to your profile and click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, and then here you can just here go to the uh, likes you've made option under the who can see your content options. Just click on the likes you've made, and you can see who can see when you like other people's posts and reels. So if you want to hide it, hide the likes that you've made, you can just set it in here, the last one, don't allow anyone to see likes. So click on that, but please be noted that the previous and new likes you've made on posts and reels will always be visible to you and the content and the account that share the content. So it's done. You can just go back and that's it. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.